Alright, I'm trying to make this video as fast as I can. I'm going to try to make it 2 minutes. And 3, 2, 1, starting. Alright, okay. So today is a tutorial of how to make gravity script. Okay, whatever. Forever. Just not forever. Just name this block gravity. Oh my god. And then,
why do you gotta...
You gotta define... Oh, wait,
why
God.
do you gotta go so fast?
Because you're forcing me to. Alright, and then, oh my god, I'm trying to minimize. Alright, so then, we're gonna go, and we're gonna get, we're gonna make a new sprite, and this one's gonna be called ground, and we're just gonna
You don't have to do fast.
Just this purple block. Yeah, I don't even care anymore, so I'm just gonna do that. I don't care if it's centered or not, just centered or not. Oh god, I can't talk. Alright, so then, then I am gonna, okay, so then okay, you know what, it's probably gonna be like 3 minutes, but who cares? I am going to be...
You don't have to do fast.
And then you're gonna make a variable called gravity, and it's gonna be for this sprite only, right? So then you're gonna do... Okay. So then you're gonna set gravity to 0, and then change gravity by -1. Then you're gonna be changing y by gravity, and that gravity is gonna be changing by this guy is gonna be. So I'm just gonna make him that he spawns right there. Oh my god. It's probably very overwhelming, but yeah, all right.
How much minutes has it been?
Like 2, Sneha. So okay, if touching ground, not yet, Sneha. If touching ground, then here, breathe. All right, then if touching ground, then stop smacking my back. Set the gravity script. It was metaphorical, I think.
Oh.
So then you set the thing, and then you change y by 1. So then you end up with... Oh wait, no, that's not if you're touching ground. That's if you're touching ground. So then you should be put with there. See, good as new.
How much minutes has it been? How much minutes has it been?
So thanks guys for watching my Scratch tutorial, and thanks for watching. Bye.